giant raw omelet. I'm sure you can also make it because 15 is actually. Put some sugars in it, but he does. So stir it. Himalayan salt. I'll never make such a huge. You should put some sesame seed. Put in. I don't know if it is available, but it's very easy to get in Korea. So, 2 of them. You're going to cheddar cheese. Any kind of cheese you can put. A little bit late, but try to. Okay. Maybe first time. It looks not pretty, but later on, at the end, it's gonna get better. Another professional. If I can make it, I can also make it. It's not easy right now, so definitely gonna make it. There you are. See? Video. Can you see? Yeah. Okay. Last. Using low heat is very important. If you're trying to make it fast, final flip is very important. Yeah. Okay. All you have to do is now a little bit wait. You can switch off the heat. Your wife hates messing up the kitchen. Okay, color is nice. Beautiful color. Gigantic. What size is this? Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Wow. You don't see the way here? Like a sausage, and maybe you can put some parsley as well. A little bit of red pepper. Giant raw omelet. I'm sure you can also make it